aking i-represent ang aming monthly budget, which is divided into 4 categories, which is food, hygiene, cleaning materials, and other expenses. These 4 categories, meron po silang pie chart, graphical presentation, and start natin sa food. Sa rice, 1.5 monthly. Sa viand, 4,570 monthly. Sa eggs, 300 monthly. Sa water, 775 monthly. Coffee, 500 monthly. Snacks, 500 monthly. So, under na mga category sa food, meron po ng formula kung bakit ito naging 6, which is equals counta, opening close parenthesis B2, colon B7, opening close parenthesis. Dito naman po sa total ng amount, meron po tayong formula which is equals sum, opening close parenthesis C2, colon C7. And dito naman po sa kilid niya, yung pie chart po, dito po, 66% ay nanggagaling sa viand na pinakamalaki ang gastos. Sunod naman po ang rice na 18%. Sunod ang water na 10%. Coffee and snacks na 6%. And sa eggs naman po ay 4% ng food. So, next is sa hygiene naman po. Shampoo, 300 monthly, soap, 250 monthly, toothpaste, 160 monthly, deodorant, 150 monthly, cotton buds, 100 monthly, cotton, 69 monthly, alcohol, 200 monthly, lotion, 300 monthly, toner, 600 monthly. So, under na naman po ng categories under hygiene, ay yung formula natin which is equals counta, open and close parenthesis B9, colon B17, open and close parenthesis. Sa total amount naman po, equals sum, open and close parenthesis C9, colon C17. Dito naman po sa gilid niya, yung pie chart niya po. And, ang pinakamalaking gastos sa hygiene is yung toner, which is 28% ng hygiene. Next naman po, ang lotion and shampoo, which is 14% ng hygiene. Next is soap, 12%. Next is alcohol, 9%. Toothpaste, 8%. Deodorant, 7%, cotton buds, 5%, and cotton, 3%. Next naman po is yung sa cleaning materials. And sa categories ng materials, we have detergent powder, 180 monthly, detergent soap, 400 monthly, Zonrox Color Safe, 100 monthly, Zonrox Bleach, 100 monthly, and Tough, 320. And yung formula na naman po natin sa mga categories ng cleaning materials is equals counta, open and close parenthesis B9, colon B23, open and close parenthesis. And yung sa total naman po, equals sum, opening close parenthesis C9, colon C23, opening close parenthesis. Yun po. And sa pie chart naman po, ang pinakamalaking pinagagastusan sa cleaning materials ay yung detergent soap, which is 37% ng cleaning materials. Next naman po yung stuff, 29%. Detergent powder, which is 16%, and Zonrox Color Safe and Zonrox Bleach, 9%. And last, yung other expenses naman po. And categories ng other expenses, electricity, 1,551 monthly. Gas, 920 monthly. Allowances, 4,000 monthly. And transportation, 850 monthly. Formula natin po yung sa categories ng other expenses, yung 4 po dyan. Equals equals counta, opening close parenthesis, B25, colon, B28, opening close parenthesis. So, total amount naman po, meron tayong equal sum, opening close parenthesis, C25, colon, C28, opening close parenthesis. Dito naman po sa gilid niya is yung pie chart niya, which is 55% ay nanggagaling sa allowances. 21% naman po ay nanggagaling sa electricity, and 12% ay nanggagaling sa gas and transportation. And dito naman po is yung income. Melanie, which has a salary of 25,500, Johnny 20,000, Marvin 500, Philip 500, with a total of 46,700. And yun po yung personal monthly budget po natin. Thank you.